One of my subscribers sent me this video and asked me to make a detailed tutorial on how to create it. But first, let's take a look at this TikTok account. They currently have over 116,000 followers and over 2 million likes. Their most popular video right now has 9 million views, and another one has 5 million views. Essentially, they're creating videos of a flying dragon in different locations, and these videos are getting massive engagement. Do you think making a video like this requires super advanced animation, design, and editing skills? Or even a professional team working for days? To be honest, it really doesn't. I recently discovered a highly intelligent and powerful tool that lets you generate a video with just simple instructions in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. You can create a video that's ready to post and has the potential to go viral with millions of views. That tool is Robo Neo, and its new feature, Agent Teams. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this video in one simple step. But first, let me show you what I was able to create. Alright, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive into this step-by-step tutorial. To create your flying dragon video, the first thing you need to do is open Robo Neo. The link will be in the pinned comment below, and I'll also add it to the video description. Once you click the link, you'll be taken to this page. All you need to do is create an account and sign up. Once you're done, you'll be taken to the Robo Neo homepage. Now, pay attention to this side. This is the canvas and the workflow. For this video, we're going to use the canvas because it's easier. We'll be using the Robo Neo Agent Teams feature. This feature involves multiple roles, like scriptwriter, video generator, editor, working together, covering every step of video production, and making the whole process very simple. Even if you don't understand any of these steps or methods, Agent Teams makes it very easy. That's why I'm using them in this video. Okay, all you need to do is click the plus icon here to select Agent Teams. Now it's selected. Next, you need to paste your prompt. I've already written a basic prompt, and you can get it. It'll be in the video description below. This prompt will first instruct Agent Teams to generate your image, so just copy it, scroll down here, and paste it. Once you have your prompt here, and you've selected Agent Teams, the next thing to do is click the Generate button here to start the generation. Once you click the Generate button, you'll be taken to the Themes section, which will be in charge of generating all your projects. Alright, Robo Neo understands exactly what I want. Now it's asking me to select exactly what I want in this video. The first option is to generate a cinematic video. I recommend that you generate the image first, and then use that image to generate the animation. This is a great approach because you can see how the image looks before generating the animation. I'm not sure if you understand what I mean. In my opinion, jumping straight into generating the animation is not advisable. So I think the best approach is to generate the image first, and then convert that image into an animation. That's what we're going to do. To do that, we click Generate a single cinematic image here. You know, when you're doing it, your options might be different, but just follow along and get exactly what you want. For me, I'm going to choose this because I want the image first. Robo Neo will start thinking again. It will immediately assign the Vision Assistant because the Vision Assistant will be in charge of creating your images. Right away, as you can see, your first image is being generated by the Vision Assistant. All you need to do is give it some time to generate the image. Alright, as you can see, the Vision Assistant has finished generating our image, and it looks really good, exactly what we need. Now that we have this image, what do we do next? Next, we need to generate the animation, and this step is very simple. Now that we have the image, all you need to do is right-click on it to select the image. As you can see, it's selected. Then come down here and type something simple, convert to video. That's it. Then just click Generate. Immediately, Robo Neo will assign the Movie and TV Assistant to take over the task, which is to generate your animation. All you need to do is give it some time. Alright, the Movie and TV Assistant has finished generating the animation. To preview it, just zoom in a little here and click play. This is the exact step you need to follow to create your flying dragon video. It's not difficult. You just need to follow exactly what I've shown you in this video. Alright, now that you've finished generating the animation, the next thing we need to do is download it. To download it, just move your mouse over the animation here, then scroll to the top. You'll see Download. Just click it, and the animation will be saved to your device. Now you can go to TikTok and start posting your video. This is the entire process of using Robo Neo Agent Teams. With just the simplest instructions, the entire content creation team can quickly help you generate the highest quality, most engaging videos. Go ahead and try it. You can also use the same steps to create other types of videos, like fruit videos, funny skits, and more. Even if you don't have a great idea or creative concept for a viral video, Robo Neo can also use its web search feature to recommend the hottest video templates on various platforms and generate your own viral video, one that's ready to post. If you want to create viral videos, Robo Neo is all you need. If you want to try Robo Neo Agent Teams, use the first link in the pinned comment below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.